What's unique about Hanwha's EPC experience is that our corporation is a Fortune 500 company. We do manufacture our own Tier 1 modules. We have very seasoned professional engineers. We're based in 40 different countries, so we bring the combined experience from those teams.
On the engineering side, what I want for my department is to be the team to beat when it comes to that cutting-edge line between over-engineering and cost savings.
Hanwha is really driving cost reduction through innovation, convergence towards best practices, and we really are driving cost competitiveness through establishing master services agreements with top-tier suppliers.
We'll come in and we'll actually do the engineering design and the procurement of all of the essential equipment. And then, of course, we'll do the construction. So it's really the design build of a complete solar array.
We have access to engineering globally. We have access to supply chain globally. So we have deep talented pools of resources we can pull from for any project we do. We want to lean on the fact that we design the best quality site for you with the best resources, most optimized design, best ground cover ratios of a PV plant that you'll get. That's really our ultimate goal. At the end of the day, we're going to build you the best plant you can get at the most reasonable price.
In the state of Texas, this is one of the largest PV solar fields that's ever been built. The Midway solar site, logistically, is the closest thing you could find to perfect for a solar field. It had existing power lines, existing substations, and some of the best terrain in this country to build a solar site. It doesn't get much better than this. We've had many things that went well on this project. The mechanical aspect, they have been very successful. They average close to 8,000 modules a day, average a little over 12,000 piles a day, which is very good.
The Beacon projects are 2 projects out of a portfolio of 5. They're 250 megawatts for LADWP. We feed into the LADWP substation. The site combined is 175 megawatts DC with 300,000 plus modules on site. Every project is going to have complications. Every project could potentially have issues. What we were successful in is mitigating those issues early on. The one outlier that makes this unique is the seismic mitigation. This particular project is on a fault line. Our responsibilities were to excavate any fissures at least 4 feet. I'd say the fissure area mitigation covers roughly 30% of the project site. The wildlife on site, there's a few very specific needs for a particular desert tortoise. When you drive around the site, you'll see some of those grates at every single gate, and those grates are actually to prevent the tortoises from actually entering the site. If you are safe and you build a quality product, the rest will fall in line.
With these large projects, major challenges are supply, logistics, and with Hanwha, we can control our destiny with control of logistics, which makes our job easier and makes most of our projects as smooth as possible.
We build relationships, we maintain these relationships. We work very closely with our suppliers to ensure that projects are being delivered on time and we're putting reliable products on the site.
The future of Hanwha Qcells EPC is looking very promising. We're building a stronger team.
I love what I do. I've been in solar construction for 11 years now. It's something special to me. I couldn't ask for more.
We're expanding our pipeline of projects. We like to deliver on time and on budget. That way we always have a happy client.
With the high demand of solar energy, Hanwha Qcells is really driving towards turnkey solar solutions